Alice, and today I'm going to show you how to play Sounds of Silence on ukulele. It's a beautiful song. It's only got 4 chords and an easy strum, and I'm also going to show you a little finger picking bit at the beginning and the end that just added something to this song. And it's quite optional as to whether you do the finger picking, but it's really fun to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the chords. Chords for this song are A minor, G, F, and C. And the strum is down, down, up, down, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I would come down using my index finger nail side and up using the soft side of my index finger. The strum is definitely quite slow and it's a straight strum, there's no swing to it. And the finger picking bit just comes at the beginning and the end, and you put your finger on the A minor chord shape, but you're only going to finger pick the bottom 3 strings and then do a thumb strum. So I'll do it sitting down first, and then I'll come up close and show you. I'll show you again. And that bit just comes right at the beginning of the song, and then you start strumming pretty much straight away. And it also comes in the last line of the song. So I'll show you the first verse, and then I'll jump to the last line and show you how it goes there. So you keep on playing the other verses like that until you get to the last line, which is whispered in the sounds of silence, and you stop in the last line and then do the finger picky bit. And I'm going to show you that now. And whispered in the sounds of silence. So that's how to play Sounds of Silence on ukulele. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll send you new videos when I've made them. Can't wait to see you making music.